watching King of Marty's YouTube channel. I need you to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ding, ding, ding. Oh, and oh my gosh, they're throwing bows back and forth, you guys. Oh, and stomping on each other's face. He just keeps stomping. I guess he does not like him. Oh, and boom! And he slams him. Oh, he's stomping on him. He kicks him out the ring. Oh, on the top rope. Oh my gosh, he's stomping his knee. Oh, choke. He's choking him. He's trying to choke him out. Oh, it is getting real. Oh, he got back up. He fought him all over, and he kicks him right into the stairs. Oh, and he will not stop. He is kicking him. Oh, he's throwing backflips in the air and landing on his stomach. Oh, and there's another one. Oh my gosh. Oh, it is getting real. Oh my gosh. Oh, it is coming over. He's destroying the announce table. Oh, yes. What is he gonna do? Yes, he's probably going to destroy him. He is going to destroy Braun Strowman. Oh my gosh. Oh, boom. Oh, he threw him. He just threw him into the ring, guys. It just got crazy. It just got real. Wow. Oh, he's not going for the pin? Okay. Boom. Oh, throws him outside again. Pow, right in the air. Oh my gosh, you just knocked him out. I think he just went to sleep. Oh, he said, oh my gosh. Oh, he was just making sure there was nothing on there still. Okay. Oh, he put some on there. It's okay. Okay. What is he going to do? What is he fixing them? Is he fixing them so it hurts more? Oh, we will never know until the interview after. And he drops them, but it does not go. Oh, he keeps falling. He's so big. He is a giant man. He is humongous. Woo! Boom! Oh my gosh, he just broke right through my announcement table. Oh, one. Oh, just letting you guys know this is a false count match anywhere. So anywhere they get pinned, it counts. It goes. No disqualification, no nothing. Oh, punch. Oh, he just falls over. He is a big soft guy. Oh. Yes, that's exactly what we want in the WWE. Oh. Oh, wow, why did he just fall? Is he scared of heights? And he throws the barricade at him. That must have hurt you guys. Oh, he's climbing up. Wait. No. He's up there. He went higher. Oh, he's scared of heights. He just fell. Braun Strowman. He cannot make this. Oh, my gosh. I think he's going to do the... Splash. Oh, wow. That was intense. That was very good. That was interesting. Oh, boom. Oh, he's up there. Okay, that's like, oh, nope, he drops him. Oh, and he just kicks the whole thing down on top of him. And he going for the pin. 1, 2, 3, ding, ding, ding. And there's you match, you guys. Okay, next up, we will have match, big guy. John Cena versus... It really was? How did you come out? Braun Strowman is the champion, and you beat him, so you get a shot at WrestleMania. How does that feel for you?
Good.
Really? It does?
Yeah.
Was it hard?
Yeah.
I just want to know, did you know that it's going to take them at least 3 hours to fix the ring because you just broke it?
Yeah.
How did you know that?
Because it's 6 hours.
Oh, okay. That is amazing. Tap. Yeah. Who are you? My name is Undertaker.
Are you here to say something?
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
I'm the best wrestler in WWE. Boom!
Oh.
Yeah!